Genesis chapter 43. The famine in Canaan grew worse, and the food Jacob's sons had brought back from Egypt eventually ran out. Jacob told them to go again and buy more grain, but Judah reminded him, "The man warned us clearly we cannot see his face again unless we bring our youngest brother, Benjamin." Jacob was distressed. He didn't want to risk Benjamin, fearing something bad might happen to him just as it did with Joseph. But Judah stepped forward and said firmly, "I will take responsibility for Benjamin. If I do not bring him back, I will bear the blame forever." Finally, Jacob agreed, though reluctantly. He told his sons to take double the silver, to return the money that had been found in their sacks, extra gifts of honey, spices, myrrh, nuts, and almonds, to take Benjamin with them. With a heavy heart, Jacob prayed, "May God Almighty grant you mercy before the man." So the brothers, along with Benjamin, traveled to Egypt again. When Joseph saw Benjamin with them, he told his steward to take them to his house and prepare a feast. The brothers grew afraid, thinking they were being trapped because of the silver that was returned. They explained nervously to Joseph's steward about the money found in their sacks. But the steward calmed them, saying, "Don't be afraid. Your God must have given you this treasure. I received your payment." Then he brought Simeon out to them. When Joseph arrived, the brothers bowed down to him once more, fulfilling the dreams Joseph had seen long ago. He asked them kindly about their father and was deeply moved when he saw Benjamin, his younger brother, now grown. Joseph was so overcome with emotion that he hurried out of his private room and wept. After washing his face, he came back and ordered the meal to be served. The brothers were seated according to their ages, from the oldest to the youngest, which surprised them. Portions of food were given to them, but Benjamin's serving was 5 times larger than the others. They ate, drank, and enjoyed themselves together, not realizing the master of Egypt was their long-lost brother. In this chapter, Joseph's careful testing continued, but his love for his family was clear when he saw Benjamin. Jacob had to trust God with the son he loved most, and Judah showed a new sense of responsibility. God was slowly bringing healing and change to his broken family.